everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. If you're looking to make something quick, interesting that your kids will absolutely enjoy, well, here is a great recipe for you guys. We're going to make these delicious instant coconut pancakes that are really simple and easy to make. So let's get started and check it out. Let's prepare the batter for the pancakes. To a bowl, I'm adding 250 ml cup of wheat flour. Next, add quarter cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can just use the regular white granulated sugar. Next, add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and quarter cup of freshly grated coconut. First, I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Just mix everything so it's all well combined. Next, I'm adding the wet ingredients, starting with 2 large eggs. To a small cup or a bowl, just crack open 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can use cinnamon powder or cardamom powder instead. Next, I'm adding 200 ml of thick coconut milk. So you can just use the store-bought coconut milk or you can make your own coconut milk at home. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Now mix everything together till it's all well combined. So if you feel the batter is a little too thick for you, you can always dilute it by adding just a little bit of water or a little bit of extra coconut milk. Just adding a little water to get the right consistency for the batter. So this batter has come to a nice pouring consistency. Let this rest for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, let's start making the pancakes. Heat a small pan. Just add a little butter. So I'm using butter for the pancakes because I'm sure they taste really good with butter. But if you don't want to use butter, you can just use oil. Keeping the flame on medium-low, take a ladle of the batter and gently drop it into the pan. Close the pan and cook the pancake for about 1 minute. So you can see I've closed the spout. We don't want any steam coming out. After about a minute, open the pan, just adding a little more butter on top. Now gently flip the pancake to the other side. Just gently press it on all sides. After 30 seconds, you can remove the pancake from the pan and you can enjoy this nice and hot. Make all the pancakes in this manner and you can enjoy them nice and hot. They make for a perfect evening snack when kids come back from school or if they're hungry after a play. This is something that you can whip up in minutes and enjoy. And you can use some nice sweet syrup like maple syrup, honey, or even some chocolate sauce or fruit preserve if kids like that. These coconut pancakes are best enjoyed nice and hot as soon as you make them. I've made a few other pancake recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. Do check them out. Well, I'm going to enjoy these pancakes with some nice maple syrup. They're very good with the nice flavors of, subtle flavors of coconut and of course that mild sweetness. It's a very nice, perfect evening snack. So you can see how simple and easy that recipe is. So if your kids are hungry after school or after a game, this is something that you can whip up in minutes and you can serve them nice and hot. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.